It's got a kick. It's got a kick. It's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. How you doing, guys? Are we well? What do most people like to have to eat? You know, go out and eat. A pizza. People love pizza. I love pizza. And I'm going to make one. I'm going to make a Margherita pizza. Very, very simple. Simple pizza sauce, cooked in a toaster oven. I ain't got a pizza oven, anything like that. I'm going to make it very, very simple for you. Follow my steps and you'll have a great, delicious pizza. So let's crack on. Right, my pizza dough. I'm using a food processor just to speed up the process. And for my flour, Tipo 00 flour, extra fine flour, fantastic for pizza dough, got a high protein content, and that's what I'll be using. If you can't find this, just use bread flour, that's really good as well. Also, some water, lukewarm water, just to speed up the process, the rise, yeast, dried yeast, salt, and sugar. So first add your yeast, and sugar. Then just give that a little stir and let that sit there for 5 minutes. So put your yeast to one side and add the flour. Nice. And what I like to do is aerate the flour, just to make it more lighter, just for about 10 seconds, just pulse it. Next add salt and some olive oil. Adding that beautiful yeast and water, or you can just smell it in that bubbly, yeasty thing going on. Beautiful. Right now, just mix until it all comes together. Beautiful. How quick and easy was that? That's it. Right, so I'm gonna move my chopping board to get a nice surface for my dough. Right now, add a light little dusting of flour to your surface. Add your dough. Little flour on top of the dough. I'm going to knead for a good 5 minutes until it's nice and smooth. Yes, that's where I want it. It smells so good. Right now, get a bowl. Add a light dusting of flour, the bottom, and then add your dough, little flour on top. So get my plastic wrap. This is going to double in size, so wrap it, put it in a warm place for about an hour. Right, let the dough do its thing, and we're going to concentrate on the pizza sauce. There's two types of pizza sauces. There's the raw and there's the cooked. And I'm going to do the raw with just a few good quality ingredients. Tomatoes, olive oil, basil, sugar, salt, in a blender. Simple. Right, first, add your crushed tomatoes. Your basil, just rip it. Olive oil, sugar and salt. Right now, just mix. Right, my pizza sauce is done. Let's check my dough. Looking good. Right, that's beautiful. That's doubled in size. So, get it on your surface. Little touch of flour. Right, the exciting part. Look, if you're not a pizza tosser, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to use a rolling pin. Make your life a lot more easier. Use a rolling pin to roll the dough out, and we're going to put all these toppings on. It's simple. Just going to roll that out. Roll lightly, not hard. Just roll very lightly. I'm going to transfer the dough to this pizza rack. Now I'm ready, I'm excited. My oven's getting cranked up to the highest it can actually go. My dough's ready, I've got my sauce ready. I've got my mozzarella, I've got my basil. Let's make a pizza. Right now, straight to the oven. Cook until this is golden brown and bubbly. I know this is going to be good. Right, this baby's done. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, my lordy dordy. Look at that beauty. That looks beautiful. The dough smells good. The cheese looks awesome. It's crispy. All I've got to do now is put the basil on top. And if you actually look underneath, look at that. Beautiful. Crispy. And right at the end, just scatter your basil leaves all over. Look at that. A little touch of olive oil. Which one? Let's go with this one. That's beautiful. The dough so airy and fluffy. That is delicious. Not bad for a toaster oven. Not bad at all. I love that raw tomato sauce. Cooked in the oven, just gives it maximum flavour. I love the creaminess of the mozzarella. That pecorino just gives it a slight bite. The dough's beautiful, nice and crispy, airy. Obviously it's not the real McCoy for a margherita, but it will do, it will do. And what's more important, it's delicious. Flavour is right there. So follow these steps, follow them, and I'll tell you what, you'll have a cracker on your hands. It's better fun. Pizza's all about fun. Cooking's all about fun. Give it a go and just have fun. Thanks, guys.